students. Today I want to say something, a very few short summary about class 10 English, first chapter, A Letter to God. The title, it has a great impact on the readers. Basically, can we send any letter to God? One question arises in the mind of readers. But if you believe in some myth or in some idea, someday maybe it will be materialized. Now you just listen to the story. The story is based on the place North America, which is very near to Mexico City in the southern part of the America. So this is the story of North America. One farmer, Lencho, he is the main protagonist of this story. And this story is written by G.L. Fuentes, one Mexican writer. I can show you the picture from my mobile screen. You can see here. He is G.L. Fuentes, the writer of this story. Let us start the story. Lencho is a farmer in the North American city. He has a field where he do the job of farming. He has a cornfield. While he is doing the work and his plants are when ready to bloom the flowers and the fruit, he expected a rainfall for the nutrition of the plants. As he knows his cornfield better and very intimately, because it is his own field where he works for day and night, so he expected a good rainfall so that the plants get the proper nutrition and bloom properly and do the crop production also very accurately. So he discusses these matters with others. He has a short family, 2 children and a wife. When he told his wife this matter, his wife told, really, it's God's will. If the rain comes down, it will be very beneficial for us. Then after some time, the woman called all the family members for dinner. While doing the dinner, Lencho feel that the rainfall is going on outside. When he went outside, he saw some big drops of rain and some small. He imagined that big drops of rain is just the 10 cent of pieces and small are of 5. Now, after a good rainfall, really it helps Lencho for doing the job of farming and to nurture his cornfield properly. After that, he has a great hope that with this corns and the field of the full of plants, he can make a very good economical profit for him and for the country also. But God has something different wish. After a certain time, suddenly a hailstorm started, and with that storm, everything just destroyed. The cornfield, the blooming field and the corns just deteriorated their condition. Whole the field and the other areas also, it was just damaged by that hailstorms. Children are going outside to enjoy the rain, but these storms damages everything. After that, Lynch was sitting in his house and thinking what will be the possible ways to defeat this situation. Though he was a farmer, he know how to write something. Next, an idea come to his mind. What is that brilliant idea? He started writing a letter to God, who is the Almighty and who is the ultimate helper of us. Then Lencho write to help with some money to do this betterment for the field, because he is now very hopeless. He become very hopeless after that damaging hailstorms, and he walked for a long way and post that letter in a mailbox. When he dropped the letter, after some time the postman collected that letter and saw the address. They just got surprised and laughed also. Share it with the postmaster also. Postmaster also beat the table and laugh at the first time, but after that they decided to open the letter, and what was the matter inside it, because the address is quite surprising. It's amazing that one person is writing a letter to God, and the address is also like that on the envelope. Now after opening, they saw that there was a request from the writer to God for sending a sum of money for the betterment of his cornfield and to upgrade the situation. The farmer has fallen down in a very bad condition due to this damages and due to this hailstorm. After that, first time they were laughing, but after some time they decided that they should do something. Then the postmaster gave his salary, and he requested other colleagues also to give some money for as a reply to the letter. Basically, there is no address like this, God. It is our belief, especially it's a myth, it is a mythological belief. We believe in some supernatural power. Actually, we are talking with our soul, we are doing prayer, we become determined and confident that someday we will get benefited. So in this way, the postmaster thought that they will help the farmer or the man. Next, when the Lencho come there to ask that is there anything for him as a reply, then the postman gave the envelope, and there was a packet also. And when Lencho actually that time he was not at all surprised, because he had a overconfidence. He has a lot of confidence that God will surely reply to him. Then he went back to his home and opened the packet and saw that there is 70 cents only, but he thought for 100 cents. Now he again wrote a letter that do not give the money through mail, directly you give it to me, because some of the money I think somebody has taken. That is why at last he cannot rely on the post office, that he thought that they have taken some money. For that he couldn't rely and write again to the God. He was just very angry and very disheartened also, that I requested 100 cents or the 100 pieces of money, but I got only 70. So this is this is the cause of unhappiness. And after that again Lencho write a letter to God. So this is the story, and this story is based on mythological beliefs. It is one of the culture of that part of the world, North America, where many stories are written in this way. G.L. Fuentes is a Mexican writer. He has a close connection with this city, and he has read properly the lifestyle of this farmer, this kind of farmers, and he has written this story. He has written many other stories also, and there are some movies in English movies then written by G.L. Fuentes. This is the story for class 10, the first story related to God. Today only this, the summary or the total theme of the story. Next day when you will follow your book, after that I will discuss again about this matter, and some exercise also, some new queries also I will try to solve in my channel. Thank you.